Yo, what's going on? Sorry for that little cough. But your boy back. I know it's been a little minute, but you see it. But you see it if I do these right here. Yeah, man, your boy been MIA for a little while because your boy funded right now. You feel me? I had to go and try to do some stuff and try to bust a few trades out. And I think it was one day it took for me to do it. And then it was one day. I think I did it on Thursday. And then on Friday, I kind of messed up big time. But then I was able to somehow come back. One thing that you guys should never do, is never get your funded account. And then once you get your funded account, try to trade in the same day. Don't do that because your emotions are going to get the best of you. And I had to learn that. I had to learn that the hard way. But I worked my way back up and I was able to, come back from that. So I knew, right? Um, I think it was, yes, it was gold, I believe. Let me see. I think it was gold. This is currently where I'm at right now, right? But I guess they redid everything, uh, gave me my funded. But yeah, I'm like 1750 down right now. That's all right. We can come back from that. Just got to be on point with my entries. But anyway, let me go back to the chart. It's okay. People aren't the best. So, like, you have to strive to be the best, and that's what we're trying to do. So I'm using macros now because that's what helped me save my account. And it worked. It worked. So this is what happened with gold. Let's go to Thursday. Yes, Thursday. It was Thursday for gold. Gold was giving me a run for my money. Thursday, 1250. I think it was, no, it was during New York. Yes, it was here. It was right here. This was my entry to take gold higher. And it kept going, it kept going, it kept going. And then finally, before the end of the day, I think it was here. Literally, I think it was here. Right before at 450, yeah, because no, no. It was right before market close. No, it was here. It was four. It was right there was when I got out. And it put me over. It put me just over. And bro, when I say I was excited, um, words can't explain. Actually, no, I'm lying. I'm lying. It was this. Yes, it was here. It wasn't here. It was actually on Wednesday in the afternoon. My fault, y'all. I'm bugging out. From down here on a higher time frame, it was like I seen a breaker structure, retrace, order block, pow, pow, just like that. And now I'm waiting for, I'm actually waiting for price to come back up here and try an entry to see if we'll be able to take it lower. um, but it's going to be outside of, it looks like it will be outside of, so I seen on a 15-minute chart, right? Let me just take you guys there. 15-minute chart, there's a fair value gap with a breaker, and that looks so freaking clean and sexy. And then I want to try to ride it down past these lows here. But it's going to be outside of, it looks like it's going to be outside. It might consolidate. It might consolidate. And then, what time is this? 10 o'clock. It's a little too late. It's a little too late for us. We thinking it's going to happen a little earlier. Right now it's 7:10. Good morning, y'all. You know, let me give my little speech about financial advice. I'm not a professional. I'm just a trader trying to make it like everyone else. Um, what you see me do, please do not do this. Do not try this at home. You know what I'm saying? Unless like a financial advisor that you know who is professional and licensed tells you otherwise. But other than that, don't copy me. And like they said back in the day, don't watch me, watch TV. So I hope you got your popcorn. Yeah. I've been wilding, you know what I'm saying? I've been wilding a little bit. Just really excited about this journey. I can't really risk too much right now. Um, I kind of with this setup, I kind of do, but I kind of don't because here we have another order block. We have order. Well, this has been tapped. So, and this was like a strong market structure shift. So it could go up, fill in this gap, tap the order block, and then fall. But we need a little bit more structure here to show us what we're working with. As time comes around, that's when we're able to react. It's funny because this order block actually is two consecutive candles. The order block is in here. So I guess we'll wait a little bit and see how it goes. But so far, so good. You know, it's doing exactly what I was hoping it would do. If we go down to the macro stage, you know what I'm saying? We have these, how can I say? Um, we have these specific times, you know, and within these specific times and periods, price loves to move. And with the clues that we've talked about previously, right? Previously, we talked about clues. See, what I want, right? What I want to happen is for this to come back down, take out this low, and then come back up. Take out that high, and then proceed lower. That's kind of what I want to see because there's a there's this FVG here, and if I get in here, if price like rushes up here and then comes down, we're leaving this FEG open, this one open, this, you know, it breaks this low, comes into this one, and then reverses. Yeah, nah, that's not good. That's not good. And I'm shocked because like I'm pretty sure this week, due to news and stuff, let's take a look at the economic calendar for this week. Like So for this week, let me see how I can make it weekly. Oh, actually, you know what? Um, all right, so we have PMI today. All right, so let me see if we can. You know what? Let's just go through the days. Um, Jolts. That's basically it. Yeah, this week is going to be like a week in consolidation. I guess they're making a addendum of the non-farm payroll change. That's on Wednesday. Oh man, we gotta look out for that. That's at 8:15. You know that's spooky. That's that spookiness right there. Unemployment claims some more, and then the breakout is really going to happen on Friday. Yeah, that's Thursday, I believe. No, this is Friday. Yeah, this right here is that spookiness. This whole, even Canadian, but these tree right here. Yeah, that's not it's not looking pretty nice. So I feel like this week is going to be a whole lot of consolidating. That's why I'm looking for that move, these moves. Like I'm hoping that it comes down and then comes up and then comes down and then we'll ride it back higher than these highs and then we'll get that NFP spike down. Hopefully, you feel me? So, but how was y'all weekend? You know what I'm saying? How was your weekend? Your weekend was good? I hope so. Hope you had a chance to relax and spend a lot of time with the loved ones. Me, I was at work, thugging it out. Even though I'm on YouTube trading, dude gotta still go to work. You feel me? Yeah, I'm still thugging it out at work. That's the that's the life I live up until we get a crazy, 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 and healthy prop firm account. You feel me? So it's going to take a little time. You can't just be like, "Oh, I'm funded. I quit." No, you can't do that. Speaking facts, you give a little, you take a little. You give a little, you take a little. Once everything is clear, once everything is in the clear, and you have an excess amount where you can not trade and still make a withdrawal, or trade like a one trade and then still make a withdrawal, then I would say, then I say like when majority of your stuff is paid for. So I say once you have your car fully paid for, um, if you live in an apartment, if you live in a crib, if you can pay your monthly payments at least for a year or two, for me personally, it would have to be like around 2 years. I have to be like 2 years worth because anything can happen, and you want to make sure that you're not panicking because I learned my lesson with panicking, you know, and I'm telling you, panicking is not a good thing. So if you can do all those things, pay your car, pay your crib, even your car insurance for 2 years, and still be able to get around, because like just think about it like this: if if you failed your prop firm account but you still have money and everything is paid off, then you can go and get another one. Then you can go and get your, plan B. But now all your bills are paid for, so you don't have to rush. You don't have to feel like you're rushing. You feel me? So now you you're comfortable. You're not rich, you're comfortable. Comfortable, I would say, is like the first sign of a person making it to become rich. That's me personally speaking. I feel like once someone is comfortable, they are in the right steps of becoming rich. So let's see what this thing right here got. Right now it's looking a little bullish. I don't know if I'm gonna enter there, and it looks like a good setup. It really does. But because we're hold on, let me. You know what? Let's take a look at the range. Where we at? All right. Let's take a look at the range, my G's. Oh man, it did go into discount just a little bit. I don't think that's I don't think that's good enough for me though. That's like right there at the 50. Uh yeah, this blue candle right here went just below and tapped the 50. Yep. Respected it though. Look how clean that respect is. Wow, look at that. It just wicked right into it and then went up. Oh man, okay. Okay. We will see. I don't know. But if you go on your 15-minute time frame, right? Right? You go on your 15-minute time frame, and you just casually look, there will be a fair value gap and of course the breaker block and a piece of the order block right there. A piece of it. And then from there, I feel like that would be the play for the day. Now, usually, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's the 950 to 1010, or it's the 850 to 910. So it's one of those two, and then you have the 1050 to 1110 one as well. That will produce a move for the day. Now, on a higher time frame, right? I know my chart is like wild right now. We are coming from discount. I'm gonna show you my NAS trade that saved the account too. But this here, I it came we came from the bottom and now going to the top. That's the 2025 freaking saying. Like you know what I'm saying? We making it from the bottom to the top. So I saw this and I said that price should want to run there, but it kept running up and running up. So I said, you know what, fuck it. Sorry. I was like, you know what? Um, F it. I'm about to just not trade this because it didn't give me enough confirmation. Like it was just it kept running up, kept running up, kept running up. So I went to Nas. Yeah, I went to Nas. So anyway, we are extremely, extremely bullish. However, this was an extreme, extreme break of structure. This was a big market structure shift. So we know for sure that we are going down. And if we look at this, there's an order block right here on the hour time frame. This candle here is a beautiful candle as well. I'm pretty sure if price comes up here and taps that order block and taps the breaker block and fills in that 15-minute FVG, yeah, I'm pretty certain the market is gonna want to take us lower. And we might just continue lower because look at the new week. Where was all right, so weekly low is right here. Look at what's below the weekly low. We have two relatively equal lows plus an FEG and an order block that hasn't been tapped. Come on, y'all. Come on, gang. That right there looks so beautiful right there. That area. So we might be able to tap that and just hold. Imagine that. Imagine I don't imagine someone like bust a five lot right here and it just kept trickling down like to this area. They that's life changing right there. That's freaking life changing right there. Shoot, I wish I can bust a five lot. Not even on this fund that I'm able to do that shit. You bust one five lot right there, and that shit trickled down all the way to the weekly low. That's that Acon. I'm so paid money. Yeah, man. So let me see. I don't know if anybody tuning in. I do be having people watching my videos though. You know what I'm saying? I do be having some people watching the videos. We've been on here for 20 minutes. 20 going on 22 minutes. You feel me? So it's all good. It's all good. Nobody be watching me live. It's all right. I actually prefer it that way, honestly, because then I get a little nervous once I know people watching me. You feel me? I think people like watching me, honestly, because I keep it real. You know what I'm saying? I keeps it real. But let me show you something. We went external. We went internal. We did not break that high, but it tapped the order block. And then it went down. Internal, right? No. Yes, internal. Well, now it's external. And we're going back internal. And then y'all gonna watch the drop. Hopefully. Hopefully. I mean, the market could do whatever it wants to do. But this breaker structure looks so healthy. It's not funny, bro. It's not funny. I'm just sitting waiting like I'm waiting on a subway train. You know, you ever been to um, let's see who are the people in New York. You ever went to Union Turnpike from 179th Street and you're trying to get on the E train and you get off at Union Turnpike and like three F trains pass you before another E train pass you, bro? That's what we waiting on. We waiting on that E train right now. I haven't taken a train in mad long, but I know Union Turnpike is that station because I've done it before. Literally one time waiting on a train platform for the E train, and like three other F trains came through. Stupid. All right, let me. You know what I'm gonna do? Let me set this because I want to go over. This thing is rushing up there a little too fast, bro. Too fast, bro. Give it some time. Give it some time. You feel me? Give it some time, bro. I know what it's probably gonna do. It's gonna go. It's gonna tap in, and then the new thing is gonna start. All right, let me show y'all real quick what's in my account. Nas. We are going to go on a 15-minute chart, and we're gonna scroll up. Now, I coulda yo. If y'all seen, yeah, look, there we go. Look, look. If y'all seen the trade and where I said it was going originally, I said it was coming down here. But you know, things happen for a reason. They wanted me to come back, but they didn't. The trading guys didn't want me to come back too fast. You know, I would have been super up right now. You feel me? Anyway, that's a 1 to 13. You feel me? That was crazy. Now I got in not here, but here, right? On a smaller time frame. But let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something. I saw. I saw this and I saw that no other candle was breaking above. You feel me? Let me go to a smaller time frame than that. I'm gonna show you some shit. All right. Okay, no, nuts. I need my coffee. I have. That's how you know I'm excited. I haven't even had my coffee yet. All right, look right here, right? Pow, right? But then there's that macro. Pow, 1111. That's right after the macro, bro. Last up candle before the down move filled in that gap, and we were off to the freaking races, bro. And that feeling, that was the feeling of a lifetime, bro. Like I know I'll be messing up. Look, I don't care what nobody say. No trader is a perfect trader. Even ICT said it himself, and he's the greatest trader right now. You feel me? So I just literally took that, went crazy with it, and I saved my account, y'all. I'm telling you, I had like 500 to left to play with, and I'm now 1750 under. Y'all seen it. But yeah, Nas saved the dude, bro. Now, y'all just remember this new week opening gap here. This gap is it's gonna be wild. But yeah, let's go back to our thing right here. Beautiful. All right. So we know we're not playing around. We are not playing around. All right. I need to. I might come back later on. I'm gonna come back later on today and see what the market, what the market did, if it actually delivered. But I'm literally waiting for that macro, bro. I'm not. I'm not waiting for nothing else. I'm waiting for that macro. Give me that. You know what I'm saying? Give me that breach. I need that. But yeah, I'm looking for that macro, and after that, it should propel price into this area here, and then you should be good. What that'll be 750, 750 to 810, I believe. Let's see. I don't even think they have that one on here, but I know that's a macro. So I'm gonna come back later on today and show y'all what went on, what happened, if I took the trade, anything like that. All right. I'll see y'all later. Look, I hope y'all stay profitable. Look at that. It's going there now. It's going there now. We literally took that high. It's 733. That move looks so perfect. I'll let y'all know. I'll keep the suspense up for y'all. You feel me? I'll keep the suspense up for y'all. Y'all see if I took it or not. I'll tune in with y'all later.